Hello YouTube, Simon here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here at the property today because we had a very heavy downpour of rain last night and this morning, and I was wondering how the campsite held up. So here I'm at the river. It's the highest I've seen it since this summer, the beginning of the early summer, when we had the big storm. So it's very, very high. I'm gonna go check the rest of the property now. I didn't realize that from the river we could see the tarp I installed. As you can see, even though it's about mid-September and fall barely has started, there already is some dead leaves on the ground. A couple of days back, I came to mulch some of the trees, and my trail is taking shape, and this is cleaner and cleaner. Oh, check that out, all the leaves on the tarp. In the next video I'll show you how we came to a open space with dirt floor to this wood chipped floor. But for now, let's see what we did in the last couple of weeks. Hello YouTube again. As you can see, I'm at the property here, at the campsite. Today's video I'm going to show you is something I did last summer. In 2011 we bought a new house, and when we bought the house I also bought a brand new lawnmower. And for some reason, one of the side of the handle started bending and bending and bending, and I brought it back, and then bending and bending and bending, and I don't know, at some point it started cracking. The steel was cracking, and since I don't have tools for welding, I went to the hardware store, bought a flat iron, bought a bar of iron, and I fixed it with a little bit of weldable grease and that iron bar, and now it's working just fine. Even better than when it was new. Well, the handle at least. Anyways, that's the video for you today. I came a couple of days earlier, like I said, and I worked on the path and chipping wood and stuff like that. So I have a video about this coming soon, and I found some project to do for my chainsaw on YouTube. I'll try to make my own version of that tool, that project. And since my leg is getting better, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's getting better. I'm still limping. I still have a hard time with my balance, but as time goes, it's easier to stand up longer. So I'm gonna try to make that little project for maybe October. I have all kinds of trees I want to make planks out of, so I'll try to do that project and use that tool for a next video. So for now, if it's not done already, please subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel progress. Also, if I just realized today that if I manage to reach 500 subscribers, I can unlock a new tab on my YouTube. It's called Community, where I can a little bit like Facebook or Twitter, I can post photos and little news and infos about the channel. So if we can get there, 500 subscribers, we're at 156 today or something like that, so it could help. So if it's not done already, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon with new videos. So ciao guys.
Action.
Well, so first thing, clean. Second thing, bend it back. Third thing, fix.
What do you mean bend it back?
Les croches. Il est tout croche là.
Also, ooh, this one is actually quite broken.
That's it.
So why you need such a big piece of metal? I even question why he bought such a big piece of metal. It's this long. Why would he just buy that instead of buying a small? Because it's not the same. It's a metal.
Qu'est-ce que j'utilise là?
I don't know.
Juste de l'eau. Oui, c'est juste pour enlever la saleté. Parce que après avoir fini, on va devoir peut-être mettre une sorte de colle. On va peinturer aussi.
C'était quoi le deuxième étage?
Étage ou étape?
Étape,
On va commencer par le nettoyer.
j'ai dit c'était quoi le
Puis
deuxième
après ça,
étage?
on va le mettre droit. Lui est à peu près droit, presque. Regardez comment est-ce qu'il est tout bent.
Ouais, mais c'est mieux on le coupe en place de juste le...
Non, mais c'est ça, je veux pas le couper. Ok. Donc, step 1, c'était de le débarquer puis de le nettoyer. C'est bizarre ça. Step 2, c'était de le remettre droit. Pour que lui, regarde, il descend.
Il doit pas contourner. Step 2.
Step 3, step 3.
3, not tree.
Hein?
You said tree.
3. 1, 2, 3. Why is it bent like that? C'est de mettre, regarde, un morceau comme ça. Ici, comme ça.
C'est de quoi?
C'est de couper le morceau puis de le mettre comme il faut, ici. 4, il va falloir mettre de la colle pour le tenir. Après ça, 5 le peindre, puis 6 le remettre. Sauf que ça, c'est bent.
Papa, c'est ça aussi, tu viens mettre le carré et le cercle, hein? Yeah, baby!
C'est super chaud, man. C'est correct? For some reason, my son took the drill bit in his hand as soon as I took it off the drill. It was super hot and he burnt his finger.
So I didn't know it was that hot. It should be red hot. It should be red. So I put some water on it.
It's boiling.
Huh?
It's boiling.
What's boiling?
The oil is boiling. Okay. That's one. these nylon rings on the nuts are used to keep the nut to loosen with the vibration of the lawnmower or anything. It's called a lock nut, where this one doesn't have any. So I'm gonna use the one with the plastic nut on it, the plastic ring on the nut. As you can see here, the screw is way too long, so I'm going to use that little red plier there. That's a wire cutter that has a built-in tool to break screws when they're too long for electrical boxes and stuff like that. So I had the just the right size, so I shortened it using that tool so it doesn't rub on the wheel here. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching me fixing my lawnmower. If it's not done already, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to progress. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Ciao, guys!